Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 4 or even 5 figures using Chat GPT to make YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to go over 2 different methods that you can use to make money with YouTube Shorts and use Chat GPT to make those shorts. So you're going to want to head over to chat.openai.com, which is the Chat GPT website. And then we want to give ChatGPT a prompt. So we're going to give ChatGPT a prompt to give us some facts. So these can be on anything, but specifically for this video, I'll be doing dog facts. So we're going to say, can you give me 10 different dog facts? Now you can do any number of facts you want, but ChatGPT is going to give me 10 different ones that we're going to use for our videos. Now you can do this on any topic. Like another example could be, can you give me 10 different cat facts? You could do that, or you could do any facts that you want. And then we're going to ask it that. And now we have 20 different facts that we can use for our YouTube Shorts. So now I'm going to show you how to turn these into YouTube Shorts using Canva. So you just have to go to canva.com, and Canva is a completely free website that we can use to edit together these videos. So we want to go to the top right hand corner where it says create design, and then just click on that and then go to YouTube Shorts. And if it doesn't show up here, you can just search YouTube Shorts, or TikTok Stories would work as well. You can upload these videos to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, so not only YouTube Shorts. So now that we are in here, we have a blank canvas. We're going to want to add a background to this. Make sure you choose one that does not have a watermark, because to remove it you have to pay. So if you choose one like this, there's no watermark, so we can use that without a problem. So I found this one here that has no watermark, and now we can just edit the text. So we're going to want to make it into 3 different sections of text. For one of the blocks of text, you're going to want to make it small like this, and then just put an @ symbol, and then whatever your social media name is going to be. So for our example, I'm just going to put dog facts. And then you want to go up here to transparency, and then we're going to make it a little transparent because it's a watermark, so we don't really want it to be showing as much as the other text. Now on the top here, we're just going to put dog facts. So I changed up the font a little bit here. Now I'm going to make it not uppercases, so it looks like this. Size it up so it looks good on the screen. And now we have this text here, which I'm going to edit as well. I'm going to change it just by clicking on these 2 buttons here so that it's no longer all capitals. And then you can go up here to the effects button, and you can add any effects you guys want, like a shadow or a lift. So I'm going to add a bit of a shadow, and then we can change the effects on it. I can't really see it, so I'm going to make it transparent and adjust a little bit. So I'm going to turn the blur up and then have it just like that. So now we have dog facts, and we have our text down below. Make sure everything is centered, that way it looks better. So we want to line it up in the middle just like this. And now go back to ChatGPT and grab one of your dog quotes and copy and paste it in here. So we're going to fit the text into the screen by dragging the corner. Okay, so now I made the text fit the screen, and now we have our dog facts thing. We want these pieces of text to come in before this quote. So we're going to right click and then go to show timing, and then down here drag it just about 2 seconds in so it comes in after the other text. And then once we play it, it'll show up after the other text. And so now we have our quote. We have text up here, we have our quote, and we have our dog facts thing down below. So if you want to make one video that has more than one quote, what you can do is that you can just copy and paste this multiple times and then just put transitions in between each one. So to get better viewer retention, we're going to want some music in the background. And one way you can do that is by going to Stream Beats. Now this is the best music that you can get for completely free. All you have to do is Google search Stream Beats, and then their songs will come up, and you can download them, and they're completely DMCA free. So I have my song right here, which is a copyright free Stream Beats song, and you guys can use Stream Beats or just Google whatever song you want. And then we just want to adjust it, and then we have some music in our video now. So now we have some music in our video. You guys can't hear it, but it's gonna play once we export the video. Now you can upload these simple facts and get millions of views like this channel right here. They have over 250,000 subscribers, called Psychology Arcade, and all they do is upload facts like dream facts, psychology facts, teenage facts, male facts, sad facts, deep facts, and you guys can easily make these videos using the method that I just showed you. So now we're going to move on to method number 2. So in order to do the second method, you are going to have to be set up with Amazon Associates to do affiliate marketing. So in the top right hand corner, I have a full video with the step-by-step guide on how to start Amazon affiliates so that you can make affiliate commissions on Amazon. So you guys are going to need to be signed up to Amazon Associates with the SiteStripe tool. And then we're going to go to Amazon where we can find a product for a video. So we're going to want to look up a high ticket price product. That way we can get a high commission if somebody buys the product. So examples of this could be phones or laptops, because a lot of people need phones and laptops and they are expensive. And so find yourself a product that is at least $500, because 10% commission is the highest you can get with Amazon affiliates, and that could be at least $50. And so the reason why is because when you do use Amazon affiliates, you get a percentage. So if the product's at least $500, you get on average a percentage of up to 10%, so you can make up to $50 minimum. But if you do a product that's like $1 or $2, you're only going to make a few cents on it. So you want to choose a high priced item for this. So now once you've found your item, it can be anything. For this example, we're using the Apple iPhone 12. You want to go to chat.openai once again, and now we're going to ask ChatGPT some questions about this Apple iPhone. So take whatever your product is and then go to ChatGPT and then say, give me 5 reasons to buy an iPhone. Once you have 5 reasons from ChatGPT to buy the product that you linked, we are now going to go back to Canva once again to make a short. So go to canva.com and we're going to do a similar thing as last time. Create a design, go to YouTube Shorts, and then find another background. So for my example, I'm going to use this background, but I don't really like these symbols here, so I'm going to get rid of them. And now we have our little text here, and then we're going to want to copy and paste this text, because we need more than one text block. Once we have that, now we can go back to our product and put the name of our product as the title. So it's going to be why buy a iPhone 12. Left click on this text and go to show timing. Drag it in so it comes in at around 2 seconds after the video starts. And then play your video and you should see your text come in about 1 to 2 seconds. And that is what you want. So we're going to take this text here and then we're going to go to ChatGPT and take one of the reasons, whichever one you think is the best. So we're going to do high quality hardware and performance. So this text is far too long to put on our short. So I'm going to go say shorten reason 2, and then ChatGPT is going to give us a 1 to 2 sentence thing, and then if we want it a little longer, you want it to be like 2 to 3 sentences, so make it 1 sentence longer. And then it's going to give us this here, and make sure that it makes sense, and then copy it and then paste it in. And then we're going to want to size the text so that it fits. Drag it out like this, and this is a big block of text, so we're going to want to put it like this. So we want to go to the A and click on it so that's not bold, and then change it to easy to read font. And so now we have this clip here where it says why buy an iPhone, and then it shows this. So you want to add reason number 1. And now what we're going to do is show the timing on this text and shorten it down. So show the timing on this text and make sure it's shortened down to the first 5 seconds so it comes in and disappears. And then Control C and Control V the text, so copy and paste it. So now we have another text block, and show the timing on this one here and make sure that it comes in after the other one disappears. So you can see as soon as the other one disappears, put this one in. So we're gonna extend it to the very end of our video, and then we're gonna delete all of this. So now that you have it so that reason number 1 shows up and then disappears and another block of text comes in, we're gonna edit this text to reason number 2. So make sure you're on the correct text, and then delete it and put reason number 2, and then grab a second reason. So we're going to use seamless integration, so number 5. Then we're going to say make reason 5 3 sentences, and then ChatGPT is going to cut it down to only 3 sentences for us. And now we're going to grab it and copy and paste it back in for a second reason. So go down here and then click like this, and now if we watch our video, we have reason or why buy an iPhone. Then it says reason number 1, comes up with the reason, and then we have reason number 2. You're going to want to take this text and copy and paste it and put it down in the bottom, and then we're going to change it to say link in description. And now I'm just going to put it just like this, a link in description. And so now our video says why buy iPhone, a link in description, and then we have reasons Now you can add as many reasons as you want, but I recommend keeping your short from like 10 to 20 seconds long, and definitely add some music and make sure that it's entertaining, so it has like an animated background like this one, so that it keeps people watching. So now we're gonna hit share on this video and then download your design, and you can do an MP4 video. Now we're gonna hit download, and then it'll download to your computer. Okay, so once it says download completed, head over to youtube.com, log into your YouTube channel, and now I'm gonna show you guys what to do when you upload your video. So upload your video. So once you start uploading your video, here's the important part. So in the short, we said there's gonna be a link in the description, and this is where you're gonna make huge money from affiliate links. So go back to your affiliate link with SiteStripe and click on get link with text form. Copy and paste this link. Anybody who clicks on your link and buys this iPhone, you can make up to 10% of what they spend on it, which is going to be $690. So you could get up to $70 if one person buys this. So put in iPhone 12 link and then just put in your affiliate link, and then you guys can edit the title and everything else however you want, and you can make loads of money getting people clicking on those affiliate links and purchasing your iPhone. So if this video gave any value to you guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out the link below to sign up to vidIQ, which is the #1 YouTube analytics tool that I personally use on all of my videos.